mind's eye, you can see a way I don't. And when it makes no sense, you say that's what faith is for. When I see a flood, you see a promise. When I see a grave, you see a door. When I'm at my end, you see where the future starts. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. You've been good on every promise, from Eden to Zion and every dead end. And out of that grave, I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. And when the world's on fire, it's not like you don't have a plan. And when the earth gives way on this rock, your church will stand. Nothing has ever once surprised you. Nothing has ever made you flinch. And when it all shakes out, the gates of hell don't stand a chance. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. You've been good on every promise, from Eden to Zion and every dead end. And out of that grave, I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. You pulled my heart from Egypt. You carved a road through seas, from all our chains to endless praise. The story ends in you. And when we cross that Jordan, look back on where we've been, from all our chains to endless praise. The story ends in you. I don't know how you'll make a way, but I know you will. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. You've been good on every promise, from Eden to Zion and every dead end. And out of that grave, I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. Yeah, I know you will.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Know You Will by Hillsong. If you liked some of the chords that you saw in this cover, first of all, I have a link to a tutorial on how to play it down in the description below, but down there you'll also find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. In that PDF, I'll show you some of the chords that I just used in this arrangement, plus a few more that you can use to instantly level up your guitar playing and become an advanced guitarist. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.